Louisville, P0LICE lied to woman about rape kit, suit says. More than 10 years after she says she was sexually assaulted, a woman is suing investigators with Louisville Metro Police, claiming her case was mishandled and she was repeatedly lied to about its status. We trusted them.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,